What's up, everyone? It's great to see you. I'm Scott Townsend, Director of Manufacturing for OSB at RoyOMartin. Thanks for joining me for this edition of RoyOMartin Job Profiles, where we take a deep dive into what our team members do while they're at work. For today's video, we'll be looking through the perspective of my good friend Lintonio, a production team member at our Oakdale OSB facility. Let's dive in and check out what's going on in Lintonio's world.
Press. What's up? I never checked the chat. I was trying to get things lined out. I see it. 2.5. 3.6. Huh? Phase 2 is showing 2.5. On Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I have to be in that building over there at 6:30 for a safety meeting, kind of go on anything safety we need to talk about or what's going on in the previous shift, get us prepared. Other days I have to be here at 7, just make shift relief, kind of be a good sport to the other shift, be here probably around 6:45, 6:50, give them time to leave, clock out by 7.
For our company, we have a minimum education requirement of a high school diploma or GED. Once hired on, team members typically work a rotating shift of days and nights from 7 to 7.
Every now and then, I might be able to get lucky and get a ride.
The main thing is watch out for your fellow coworkers, because you may notice them getting overly agitated, working in the heat. You may see some of their signs before they notice it. Anybody has anybody else?
We got a down day tomorrow?
Yes, down day tomorrow.
Our employees' safety, health, and well-being is our company's #1 priority. Safety meetings are conducted before the shift starts each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Depending on the department, a production team member could work in a variety of situations, both controlled and uncontrolled. These safety meetings address relevant topics for anyone working in our facility and any current events or matters of concern going on in the facility at that time. These meetings typically last between 30 minutes and are led by the production team leader, but all team members are encouraged to participate.
This weekend was crazy.
Like I said, we control from the building all the way to Strapper. But we usually let the strapper operator, he has a similar HMI on his screen, let him control things over there. Kind of gives us a helping hand up here while we're controlling everything else. He's the press rover. It's if anything's upset condition where I can't fix up here, if he's not up here, I'll call him over the radio and explain to him what's going on. Like, hey, can you go check this out, or I need you to do this. He's kind of my hands out there. I'm strapper first.
Strapper, then operate, yeah.
You operate rover.
I'm pulling the car,
Okay.
then cut it in half, like tape it. So
Having a good rover who has the knowledge can help you out as well. Like press rover, press operator work together, and we can help each other out a lot. Yeah. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start.
So pretty much what I'm hearing is you're the brains and he's the bronze. You can put it like that.
For the moment, but then we'll swap out. Then he'll be the brains and I'll be the brawn.
Specifically in Lintonio's role as press operator, he will spend time as a press or saw line rover during a shift, monitoring conditions along the production line and communicating back to the control room. He may also work as a strapper operator, where our finished product is bagged and bundled for storage into the warehouse. Cross-training is a crucial component to our self-directed advancement system, which we call PKS, which stands for Pay for Knowledge and Skills. This is the way that team members advance in both salary and skills throughout the facility.
You usually start off on the back, the strapper, saw line area, where it's not as much. You can kind of figure out more hands-on. You have people around you to help. And then you'll slowly, gradually move on up over here.
So would you say, like, do you spend more of your time here?
Yes. Being that it's only me and him at the moment that can operate, yeah, I spend most of my time up here. This position, favorite part is kind of like you got a lot of responsibility, so especially if you're running good, it kind of looks, people always just told me you could shine on the press side of being a press operator. That was one of the reasons why I chose this area. So like everything's running good, you're making great board, people look like, oh, okay, he's doing a good job.
Then you end up on camera.
Yeah. I know you see the storage area, so you want to slow down?
Our employees are outstanding and we appreciate them. I hope this video has given you some insight into this job position. For more information, check out our website at www.RoyOMartin.com.